Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming back at you with another nail tutorial. This time it's featuring the Madam Glam products I recently purchased. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it up in the cards above as well in the description down below so you can check it out. So if you haven't seen that video, basically I subscribe to Madam Glam. I get 50% off the items. You pay a monthly subscription fee for $25 US. It stays as credit on your account, so when you decide to purchase stuff, you can use that credit towards that. Bam, bam, bam. So for this tutorial, I'm using the BU stiletto tips. These are super long. I did cut mine down so I could be more functional. These are what my nails look like. My right hand looks hella janky. Well, they both kind of look hella janky, but they actually don't look that bad, like on their own, you know. But this is like the bad hand because I'm not left-handed, but this is the better hand. So with this, I use the Madam Glam Soak Off Base Coat, the Soak Off Top Coat, and for the color, it's the Builder Gel in Baby Pink, which is this one. So on the website, it tells you like to layer it in like a particular way, which I tried, which I need to learn how to perfect so I can not have it so rigid. But then when I was watching people do their reviews on it on YouTube, they were just laying it as coats, as a overlay. So I think the next time I do a new set, I'll try the purple one that I got and do like the overlay technique and see if that works better for me. But what I like, it's super thick so it doesn't run away with you, and it's pretty easy to use. I did find that I got a lot of heat spikes, so I'm not sure that's because my nails are kind of weak from playing on doing my nails a lot lately, or if it's the intensity of the gel. But what I did to help prevent the heat spikes, once I start feeling the spike coming, I take my finger out for a few seconds and put it back in. Then I transitioned on my lamp to the half heat mode, which is like 99 seconds. So I did that and that helped. So yeah, if you want to see how I got these super easy nails, definitely stay tuned the rest of the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel if you want to see more of nail videos from me, because that'd be fun, because I do have more things on the way from places and I want to try out and whatever. Yeah, super excited how they turned out. Definitely need to work on my filing and shaping, but I also need to work on not doing my nails at 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm half asleep but can't sleep, right? Well, yeah, following all my social media will be all listed down below, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, guys.
Do your wine up on me. The way you wind up on me. The way you wind up on me. way you wind up on me.